Hey everyone! Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial on how to remove a card from Google Wallet in 2025. If you're looking to declutter your digital wallet, switch cards, or boost your account security, you're in the right place. Google Wallet has made this process super straightforward, and I'll guide you through it step by step. Let's dive right in. First, ensure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your Android device or iPhone and that you're logged in with the correct Google account. This is crucial for accessing your payment methods securely. Step 1. Open the Google Wallet app from your home screen. You'll land on the main dashboard, where you can see all your added cards, passes, and other items. Step 2. Scroll through your list of cards and tap on the one you want to remove. This will open the card's details page, giving you a closer look at its information. Step 3. Look for the three-dot menu icon or an edit button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to reveal your options. Step 4. From the menu, select Remove Card or a similar option. Don't worry, it's designed to be intuitive, but double-check to make sure you're selecting the right one. Step 5. You'll see a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Read it carefully, as this action is permanent, and then tap Yes or Remove to finalize. Once that's done, the card will be removed from your Google Wallet instantly. That's it, you're all set. A quick tip. If you encounter any issues, like the remove option not showing up, make sure your app is updated to the latest 2025 version. This helps avoid glitches and keeps your experience smooth. Removing cards is a smart way to protect your financial info, so make it a habit. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.